Welcome to BTAG Innovation. Today, we're thrilled to introduce our latest addition, the Eco Tower. This tower is a game changer in our product lineup, designed to enhance the scope of repairs like never before. Constructed swiftly using tower elements reminiscent of our bridge system, the Eco Tower offers unparalleled ease of setup. Its pulling and stabilization elements are easily adjustable, ensuring optimal performance. By attaching the stabilization rope, you can achieve higher pulling forces effortlessly. Whether utilizing the bit welding process or the glue pull method, the Eco Tower excels. In this demonstration, we'll showcase the efficiency of the glue pulling method. Simply attach the speed lines by applying glue. Apply air to the vacuum plate, and with the indicator you can see the pressure building up. Apply the pulling element and the pulling strap. Adjust tension effortlessly and provide tension relief by tapping the crown. By turning the handle you can reapply the tension as needed with ease. For low angle pulls, attach the pulling strap through the lower anchor point. Additionally, the vacuum plate is detachable, allowing for increased pulling force or alternative attachment areas. Thank you for joining us on this journey of innovation.